Alright, I'm doing something a little different tonight. This is a Pioneer SX9000 that I've been working on. Wood case is in decent shape. It's not bad enough to send it out to get it refinished or refinish it myself, but it could use a little bit of help. A friend of mine recommended to try this Howard Restor-A-Finish. This is the walnut color, and instructions say you just wipe it on and then wipe it off. So let's take a look here and see what this does. You can see there's some stains and water spots and different things. A couple chips it's obviously not going to help us with, but oh yeah, that's making a nice difference. Wow, not bad. Let's see if it holds up. Now, I've read some warnings online that say if you're planning on sending this out to get refinished or refinishing it yourself in the future, that you should probably not use this product because it has mineral oil in it and it'll soak into the wood and make it harder to refinish in the future. And I'm not worried about it with this piece. I also read other people say that's not necessarily the case, but that is a big difference, and I just wiped it on and off. They say you can follow it up with Howard Feed and Wax about a half hour later. I haven't tried that on anything yet, but I'll give it a go tomorrow. There it is, another one. It's that Bose 551 that's been sitting on my shelf. Not as many scratches or water spots or anything like that, but it just looks a little dull and lifeless. So let's see how she goes. Does a pretty nice job at concealing scratches, I've noticed. And I'm not endorsed by Howard or anyone like that. I just like the stuff. Might work a little bit better if I use a microfiber cloth to get down into the pores some, but not bad. Kind of gives the wood a bit of a 3D look that it's been missing for years.